Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we've dropped down here. We're fighting on either side of the 200-day moving averages. On the continuation chart, which is what this is, it sits around 2660. December chart, it's around 2770. So it's really fighting over this 10-handle portion of price. We talked about what a channel day is. Third standard deviation lower band, second standard deviation lower band. You can see that the lower band has been resistance the last 2 days. On Friday, that third standard deviation band was support. So we're still hanging around. We're peaking above the band a little bit here. Band's down at what, about 69, 68. So it's a situation where actually, it's down at 61 now. The bands are complete moving targets. I mean, I woke up this morning, it was, the area that it had bumped its head in, well, I guess it was 60. So we're up as high as 68 now. So right now we're long. We looked at a couple things this morning. We had matching lows at 53.5. Then it went up above our proprietary moving average. It went above VWAP, and then it held VWAP. That got us long in 61, 60, 75 area. So a nice little 6-7 handles to start the day. And our stated goal in the room is to try to make 4 a day. So anytime we have a chance to do that, especially on a Monday, that's what we'll do every time. Every time. It's about consistency. It's about small victories. Consistency builds confidence. You start building those bricks, and that's what we're about. Hourly chart. So we were compressed here. You saw the breakdown. Now we're in this 200-day battle. So on the December contract, it's 70 and change on the 200-day. You can see now we're starting to compress again a little bit. We're starting to compress a little bit here. Do we see as violent a move? I don't know. But, compression breeds expansion. The new weekly pivot. All right, I put the new weekly pivot up. 27.94.83. Do I think that gets tested today? I don't know. It's 30 handles away. Anything's possible. Do I think we see it in the early part of the week? Yeah, I do. And then we can decide, kind of similar to last week, is it going to be resistance? Again, does it want to be support? Do the bulls have life up over the top of it? If the answer is it wants to be resistance again, and it bumps its head, bumps its head, bumps its head, as we get into the middle of the week, toward the end of the week, you'll get more directional action to the downside. So the thing for me is we're going to have to take a look at how the area of 59 to 61 reacts. Does it want to get back inside the Bollinger Bands on the daily chart? If it does, then it's got a little more room to move to the upside. If it can't accomplish that, then you'll see us slip back into the mid 2740s. But it's Monday. There's a lot more questions than there are answers. So just kind of trade it the way you see it. That's what we're doing. That's what got us long. We got about 50 minutes to the open. That's all I've got. We'll be out on social all day. Midday updates. We'll get some charts going. Everything. It's been a fantastic month. It was a fantastic week last week. We continue to do our thing. If you trade this stuff, it's a great time to come in, get started. There's a lot of new people starting, so the learning curve is there for everybody. Come on in, check it out. I think you'll like what you see. All right, take care. Talk to you soon. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.